Welcome to AliCenturyReview.com. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of cleanliness and technology to bring you the top 5 best robot vacuum cleaners on Aliexpress. From smart navigation to self-cleaning, these robotic marvels are designed to make your home cleaning effortless and more efficient. Whether you're looking for a vacuum that can handle multiple floors, one with laser precision, or a device that empties itself, we've got you covered.
Returning to charging base.
Hello everyone, welcome to Tukfan. We've spent a lot of time to test some new home appliances, and here we are with a new video. We have reviewed Xiaomi Robot Cleaner X10 Plus before. After half a year, today we bring an upgraded version of it, Xiaomi Robot Cleaner 1S. Although we can't see the difference in appearance, a new function that I dream of is added. It can finally realize automatic water filling. Let's go straight to the unboxing of the water accessories. An instruction manual on the top, water pipes and polluted water pipes in the box, a solenoid valve, the most important thing, water module and water cover tube, adapter for 2 water pipes and some accessories.
A new generation of laser navigation smart vacuum cleaner, NEATSVOR X600 Pro. Using hardened chips and AI algorithms, 6,000 per section makes it have excellent cleaning ability. LiDAR scans high-frequency samples to detect obstacles in real time and avoid them accurately. Humanized map management. You can use your mobile phone to specify the areas that need to be clean and the areas that are not clean. If there is no power during cleaning, it will automatically return to the charging base. After charging, continue to clean the remaining area and insist on completing the cleaning. Strong motivation, easily overcome obstacles within 2 centimeters. Two brushes spin quickly to collect dust on the carpet. Precise microcontrol water pump with high-performance chip can accurately control the water output. Like a high-speed rotating propeller, a laser camera draws a map at the fastest speed. This is our trump card. NEATSVOR, a good life comes from technology.
2同学开始清扫。好的，主人，已启动扫地机。